Can you believe these are folding chairs? I didn't know they made such really beautiful chairs. So these are in the Cognac Brown. These chairs are by VECELO. They come in 4 different colors, and they either come in a set of 2 or 4. So I think these are just absolutely stunning. So we've got a nice sturdy metal frame here. And I'll give you a close-up look of this, but they just fold up so simply. Okay, kind of show you there. And just like that, you have a folded chair. Stores really easy. These wipe clean super easy. It's kind of like a PU leather, which is like a, what do they call that? Like a polyester type leather, I think. Not polyester, that's not the word I'm looking for. But a faux leather, just to put it to you that way. But really nice metal frames. Love how easy these fold up. And they do have, let me show you this. You do have rubber at the bottom too. So that's nice because that helps not scratch floors. So really comfortable chairs. Let me give you a seat here. And honestly, hard to believe they are folding chairs, but really great set of either 2 or 4 folding chairs. And this is the Cognac Brown. I love them.